Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in ages. But yeah, I'm still very much alive. Hello everybody. It's time to do my hair again. As you can see, my roots are rooting. There's only one problem that I have, and that is I am not at home right now. I am in Asia, in Bali to be specific. And the bleach that I normally always use is not available over here. I did try to bring it with me on the plane, but then I quickly googled if you're like allowed to bring bleach on the plane, because it does sound kind of tricky. And turns out you're not allowed to bring bleach on an aircraft. So I went to the grocery store, as a person always does, to buy bleach. And I found some bleach. I'm gonna use this to bleach my hair today. I actually got a bunch. But yeah, I'm going to use this to bleach my roots today. I'm actually so scared. But it says it's natural. Natural bleach, no ammonia. And it has super fruit extracts. So yeah. I'm just gonna try this out, because I don't have another option. I mean, I guess I could technically go to the hair salon, but we know I'm not a fan of that. Bleach from the grocery store. The grocery store? That's crazy. Okay, let's go. I got a mirror. And the only issue that I have right now, I mean, I have multiple issues, obviously, but I think I only have one mirror over here. So it's gonna be tricky to do the back of my head. But I'm just gonna try it out. Also, it's like really hot in here, but I can't turn on the aircon because it's gonna be very annoying for you guys to listen to the aircon the entire time. So don't mind me sweating my balls off out here. Also, look at this. Okay, let's put on my dyeing shirt. Let's go. Okay, I'm a little bit scared, but that's okay. I got my dyeing shirt that I brought all the way from a different continent to this continent. I got a bowl, clippy, brush, comb, gorgeous. Also brought my different bag. My favorite brush to dye my hair with. This is the one from Arctic Fox, and it just works the best. It's like soft and nice and big. So I brought this with me from home as well. Because I can't dye my hair with any other brush anymore. Let's unbox this bleach. Oh, I don't even know like what developer it has. Like the strength of the developer. Scary. Hair vitamin. That's always good. Gloves. We don't need those. Developer cream bleach. I need to know. It says 9%. Isn't that like a lot? 30 volume. 30. Do you know you have 30 minutes? Oh, 9% is way too much for my hair. I feel like I think I use like 3% of my hair. 9%. Okay, let's just see if I can. Maybe I can just like mix it with like shampoo to lower the volume. Let's see what the internet has to say about it. Oh shit! No. You know what's weird about Bali or like Indonesia? They banned Reddit. Like you can't go on Reddit over here. I have no clue why that is. Okay. The internet says that I can mix it with water. and then that will dilute the developer. So let me just try it. Look, if everything... The main thing that I have is I don't want it to ruin my hair, because believe it or not, my hair has been really healthy lately. So I'd rather like have it not turn out like white and like more of an orangey color than it like burning off, right? So let's just try this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start off with 2 sets first and see if that's like enough to do the front of my hair, I guess. I'm actually scared. Oh my god. Also, look at my nails. I got my nails done for the first time in years, I feel like. It makes me feel so fancy. Okay, this is what I have right now. Can you see? It's not a lot at all. I feel like I probably need even more boxes than 4. I'm just gonna add some water to this. Also, can you hear the fucking crickets outside? They're so loud for no reason. They'll like start screaming out of nowhere and then they're like silent again, and then they start screaming and then they're silent. Okay, I'm just gonna add some water and then I'm gonna wait till they're done chirping, because I feel like this is probably very annoying for you to listen to. Okay, so that took a long time. They just keep chirping. They're like screaming and then they're silent and then they're screaming and then they're silent. But I just gotta start at some point. So if they start screaming again, I'll just put on a song or something so it's not that annoying. We've got the developer in a bowl, and now we shall add the bleaching powder. Well, cream. It's actually not even powder, it's bleaching cream, which I don't think I've ever used that before in my life. Okay. Scary stuff. Okay. Guess we're just gonna do it. So far, so good. Also, I really wonder if I'm gonna get an erection. No, if I'm gonna get a reaction to this bleach, because in my experience, every time I go to Asia and use their hair products, it's like not good for my scalp. I get like an allergic reaction to it. I think I probably have like different rules for ingredients over here, because I know that in Europe they're pretty strict. So yeah, we'll see if this actually is gonna mess me up or not. I hope so, because I did dilute it with water, so it should be fine, I guess. Ooh. It is actually... Okay, it is actually kind of starting to annoy my scalp now. Oh no. I don't even feel like it's lightening my hair yet, but it is itching my scalp. Oh, I don't like this feeling. It's not doing anything. What's going on here? You see that? It's not even lifting a little bit. And I really did not put that much water in it, okay? There's more developer than water. I don't know what to do. Should I put it all over my hair or should I just give up already? It's not lifting. So much going wrong today. I'm just gonna try and do the back of my head. And I'm just gonna speed through that process. And I'm just gonna leave it off for like an hour. And then we'll see if it develops a little bit more afterwards. I have another mirror. Okay. I think everything is go. Oh! It's lightening a little bit. Wait, it's actually working. Oh my god, crazy. Okay, look. Oh Oh no, this is like the most uneven lift I've seen in my life. Oh god. I'm really scared of the end result. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is gonna look absolutely horrible. But if it fails, I can just go to the hair salon anyways, right? I can just dye it. Or I can just dye like a dark hair dye on top. You know, I can do like dark purple, dark blue. Maybe that's gonna make it better. But for now, yeah, like this. Oh, yeah. I don't think this is doing the thing that it's supposed to do. I don't think there's much that I can do anymore to like fix this. So I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for like 45 minutes to an hour. And then we can see what it looks like afterward. But it definitely does not look good. I can tell you that. I can tell you that for sure. It looks kind of wild. Okay, I'll be back in 45 minutes. It's been about an hour and this is what it looks like. I feel like it went really long. That's not light at all. I don't know what to do. Let me see. I don't even know what the back looks like. I feel like it's probably not good. Let me see. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wash this out in the shower. Whoa! Oh my god. I'm just gonna wash this out in the shower and then maybe I'll just do a second batch. Ooh, ah. Hey, so I washed my hair out. Here's my dog. There are 2 other dogs. Dobby, zachtjes. Zachtjes doen. They're playing, don't worry, but they play really rough. So they always just like bite each other. Anyways, this is the end result so far. It definitely is not. What's this? What the hell? What's over there? Oh, come on in, girls. Come in. It's definitely not. Oh, it's not actually my dog, by the way. He just lives here, but I pretend like that's my dog. Anyways, it's definitely not light enough, and especially the back. I feel like the back did not lift at all. So I got myself some more bleach, and I'm just gonna do it all again. And I actually have to be somewhere in like an hour. So yeah, I'm just gonna go really fast with it. I'm gonna do 3 packages of the bleach and a little bit of water. I'm gonna start from the back and end with the front. Hello everybody! My hair is finished. And it's not really white. Look. I mean, it's also not like that bad. Like it could have definitely be worse too. But yeah, this really didn't light it up much at all. I think I might have just like added too much water to it. Or maybe the bleach is also just bad. I mean, honestly, it is grocery store bleach. So probably isn't the best in the world. Also, yeah, I'm aware that my hair looks very dry right now, but it is doing fine, okay? It just needs a little treatment. I'm actually annoyed because normally my hair is like white after I bleach it, right? I don't know. I mean, it is light enough for me to add another color on top of it, which is something I'm definitely gonna do. But next time, I think I'll just go to a hair salon instead. But you know, overall, I'm happy because it's light enough to dye, and also my hair still, it feels really good. Like it definitely feels better now than it does when I use my other hair bleach, which I'm very excited about because I am on a healthy hair journey, even though it might not look like that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You can say bye to Dobby and Rycote. Dobby, say bye to the camera. Say bye to your friends. Rocket too. Rocket sleepy boy. Sleepy boy. Oh, big stretch. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.